Welcome to this journey into the cultural heart of Palermo as we explore the magnificent Teatro Politeama Garibaldi. Inaugurated in 1874, this neoclassical masterpiece stands as an icon of Sicilian history and art. The Teatro Politeama, designed by architect Giuseppe Damiani Almeyda, captivates with its imposing facade and intricate details. Its inauguration with Verdi's I Vespri Siciliani marked the beginning of a long tradition of successful performance. The theater is more than a building, it's a stage where Palermo's cultural history unfolds. From operas to symphonic concerts, the Teatro Politeama offers a unique multisensory experience, blending visual, auditory and theatrical arts. After periods of decline in the 90s, the theatre underwent an ambitious restoration project. This effort revived the structure, repaired original frescoes, and modernized the theatrical technologies. Beyond the regular productions, the Teatro Politeama is a vital center for the community. Conferences, special events, and cultural initiatives engage the local audience, providing diverse programming for all tastes. The Teatro Politeama remains a cultural beacon, contributing to the artistic vibrancy of Palermo. With its rich history and majestic architecture, it's destined to be a lasting landmark for art and culture enthusiasts in Sicily. The Teatro Politeama in Palermo is much more than a venue for performances. It's a cultural treasure that continues to shine in the city's artistic landscape, inspiring present and future generations.
In the description, you will find useful links and offers dedicated to you.
If you have any doubts or questions, write in the comments below and we will answer you as soon as possible. Help us grow by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you and see you at the next video.